Hey, Max Coltrane here. Just doing a little video on my new book that's coming out, Stepping Out All or Nothing. So when I was 29 years old, I decided to leave my hometown in England. There was just a one-way ticket to Bangkok in Thailand, and just no real plan. And my book will be very powerful and inspiring for any reader. If you've thought about travelling, you're literally going to be walking out with me, going through what I went through and experiencing what can be done if you just put yourself out there. Where I am now and what I've done since when I did leave, yeah, it's pretty insane and pretty unbelievable. And sometimes I felt like giving up, but that's the thing. If you're determined, you'll get anything you want, whenever you want it, however you want it, you will get it. It's all about just facing your fears, traveling really far, and always dreaming big. When you have a challenge after challenge and you experience all this diversity around you, and you just step out into the real world, you see real people, you experience how when you really have to get a job, when you have to earn money, when you're running out of money, when you can't just fly home because you haven't got the money, you dig deep and you really realise what you're doing, and the real sort of fundamental elements of my whole journey is just being able to really find a belief in myself.
Oh, imagine. Imagine. Oh, imagine. Imagine. Oh, I see your tears in the night. Lay it all on.
Yeah, so follow me on my journey. Like, share, subscribe. So my book will be on Amazon, Google Books, iBooks, eBay, all of the other ones. My publishing company's handling that. That's fine. I get a small amount of that